Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me hair and makeup video. I'm getting ready. I'm going to be on the news again. I have another segment I'm super excited about. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'm trying to do two things in one. I'm going to be doing a different wig. I'm so nervous. I really hope it works out because this is literally the only wig I have available. This wig is from Afsisterwigs and it's a bob with a bang. I've never done anything like this. I've done a bang before, I've done a bob, but I've never done the two combined. So I really hope this works out. This wig is their Lisa wig. It's pre-plucked virgin human hair and it is silky straight. I have the inches. I have 10 inches, I think. I'm pretty sure I do. Either way, I think I'm gonna cut some to make it a little bit, you know, sharper how I like my bobs. And I have 130% density, and this is a lace front wig. One thing that's very special about this wig is that the knots are invisible. They already have the knots done for you. They have much thinner knots than ever before. From what they say, they are doing the new knotting method. Usually wigs have 3 or 4 hairs per knot. This wig is different because it has 1 or 2 hairs per knot, which makes it so much easier to customize and a lot more easier to bleach. And also this wig comes bleached for you already, so you don't have to do anything to it. So as I can see, just first impression, that this wig is like perfect. Like literally everything is done for you. I'm sorry for my ashy hands. I know they're ashy, but literally this wig, there are no black knots whatsoever. And also the lace looks really good, and it does seem that it has like a very lightweight feel, so I can definitely tell where they have just the 1 or 2 hairs in each knot. So here I'm going to show you an example of somewhat of what it means. This is just a regular frontal. This is nothing special. It's just some old hair that I have. But this wig has been bleached, but as you can see, the knots are still pretty black. It's not, you know, undetectable as this Afsisterwig is. You can still see that there's some black knots. Most are bleached, and most of it looks good, but some are still black, and that is because this frontal that is on this wig has the 3 or 4 hairs per knot. So you have all those hairs, which makes it harder to bleach. So in the long run, it's not gonna look as good and as seamless as this wig right here, which has the 1 or 2 hairs per knot. And let me give you guys a closer look. Literally, there are no black dots at all. It's just lace. That's it. This one has an elastic band already for you. Has the lace in the front that I'm gonna cut off. And it has a little piece of lace in the back. So I have the wig on, and I'm looking a little bit Dora-ish right now, but once I put my makeup on, I'm going to style it, and we're gonna be looking cute. Just off of first impression, I really like how the bang is. It's like a nice, I can't even think of the word right now, but a nice little on the thinner side bang. I don't like the super thick bangs. I really like how they have it just like this. So I think that's really cute. Once I style it, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. But right now I'm looking like Dora. So I'm just gonna get this out the way. This bang, this hair is perfect since I am gonna be going on the news and I have this burn on my forehead. Like, how did this even happen? Like, just stuff like that happens. You're just like, why did this happen to me? Like, why did this have to happen to me? I'm just gonna pull this back like this. I'm looking all types of cray cray, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I already have my brows done. I think I just might be on time. I'm gonna go for like a brown smoky eye today. So let's get into it. Of course, I'm going into my Soft Glam palette, and we're just going to work around this palette. So this makeup look I did was so easy. The brown smoky eye that I did was so quick. It did not take any time at all. The first thing I did was take my MAC brown script and I made that my transition color. Then I went into my Soft Glam palette and I used the dark brown shade that's in there. I put that in my transition, and now I'm taking my ABH eyeshadow pomade in dark brown and I'm putting that on my lid, and I'm just gonna blend that out with a fluffy blending brush. And then I went on top of it with that same dark brown shade that's in the Soft Glam palette. I just put that right on top and I blended everything together with MAC brown script. So to finish the eyeshadow look off, I'm taking my Fenty Flat Liner and I'm doing a really simple wing. So of course I'm going in with my Too Faced Peachy primer. I'm putting that all over my face, and then I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm also using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and the shade that I'm using will be linked down in the description box. I'm using my ABH Stick Foundation in the shade Ebony, and I'm contouring. So I'm going in and setting my concealer with my Too Faced medium setting powder, and then I'm going to go in reverse contour with my translucent powder by Mercier, and then I'm going to set my contour with my ABH bronzing powder in the shade Mahogany. So now I am going in and setting my entire face and pulling everything together with my MAC Still Fix powder. I can't think of the full name right now, but that will be down in the description box. I am going in with blush after that, and that is Black Radiance Toasted Almond. Then I'm going to put on highlighter, and I did my eyes off camera. I finished up my eyes with my lashes and my bottom lash line off camera, but I just used my dark brown on my bottom lash line and some mascara. And now I'm going in with lips. All that will be down in the description box. That's it for makeup, and I'm going in and fixing this hair. After I straightened this hair, it was everything. I decided not to cut it. I think it looks so good at this length. I'm not sure whether this is 8 or 10 inches, but that will be down in the description box. This hair is everything. Like it really almost looks natural. Like it's like my real hair that's cut in this style, because it just looks so good. I love their new knotting method that just makes everything feel so lightweight and looks so good. Like as I showed you guys, there are no black dots. It's just literally nothing but lace. Guys, of course I'm running a little bit behind, so I'm just gonna have to speed this video up a little bit. This hair is gorgeous. As you can see, it turned out really nicely. I'm just so happy that it looks good, and I'm not gonna walk out of here looking like Dora the Explorer. Right now I'm just putting on some of this soft focus powder on the part just to make it look a little bit more natural, because I have that light cap up underneath my wig. But this is so cute. It turned out so cute. I love it so much. Make sure you check out Afsisterwigs. This is their new style knot. It looks so good. It looks so natural, and I absolutely love this style. Let me cut off this lace a little bit, and I am headed out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out Afsisterwigs. All the information will be down in the description box. Make sure you're following on Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video.